I might get me one of them camera things like you got there.
Yeah, it works. It was $7 this thing.
Worth the fucking
$7. Yeah, I was right. It needed up elevator.
Yeah, you need up.
It needed up. Yeah, it was going down. It's almost trimmed.
It looks like a fucking Mig in the air.
Dude, it's awesome.
No shit, though.
It flies slow too, huh? It seems like it flies slow. I could probably rip it around like the other one. Let me get it trimmed a little better. Yeah. Ooh, not a lot of aileron.
A white nose really makes it pop. Fucking love it. It looks great in the air, bro. You're getting good at this shit. And you can definitely tell top from bottom.
Yeah, you can. With the color difference.
Yeah.
Worked out good, huh?
Yeah, it looks real good, bro.
You still use a
You
little.
did nice work.
Thank you. When I want to, you know. It would probably be funner with the other motor.
It's kind of fun right where it's at. I mean,
Yeah, oh yeah, flies great like this.
Yeah.
I could probably do a, I'll try to do a slow pass here.
It fucking turns tight too.
Yeah, it just doesn't have the power like the other one does.
Yeah. Well, you can always up one. Look at that motherfucker.
Yeah, the other one's got more power to get out. So, but I wanted something 3S, you know?
Yeah,
I'm probably gonna leave it like this.
absolutely. Yeah, I wouldn't cut it up and put another motor in there.
No, I don't need to.
Yeah, leave it just like it is.
I can put another motor in it. I already built it so that I can put a bigger motor in it.
Oh, there you go. You covered your bases. Huh?
Yeah, I did. And a bigger prop. It's got a 6-inch prop. I can put a 7 on it.
God damn, it looks good.
Yeah, it just doesn't have the power like to get like how I can do whatever I want with the F-22. It's really stable actually.
Yeah, it looks it. Look at it. Really, I'm serious.
Now I understand why the guys, they do that mechanical 4x4 where they tie the elevators to the ailerons, because it doesn't really have enough aileron in it.
Okay.
It's got enough elevator. Like, see, I can really pull.
Yeah, that's tight there. But yeah, it looks stable as shit though. Oh wow.
It is actually, it flies great. It flies really nice. 30 seconds, but it's like a 3S airplane, so I probably got more time than that. Yeah, the paint job worked good too.
It looks fucking great.
It does, I love it.
Yeah,
It fucking turned out great. These were worth $20 for these plans.
absolutely. Really nice, son.
Thank you.
I'm serious. It looks fucking good.